Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of SelectorsHub. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use SelectorsHub for local files. Many times we want to use SelectorsHub for local files, like you have some HTML file and you have want to generate selectors for that, or you have to do some testing on local files. In that cases, we have to write the XPath selectors and test all those things, right? So how to use in that case? Yes, like by default, if you have added SelectorsHub, then directly it will not work for local files. We have to do a small setting, and after that it will work like charm. So if you are opening SelectorsHub on any website, like say selectorshub.com, on testproject.io, anywhere if you will open, it will work like a charm. You will not have to do anything, right? And it works like whenever you open, it will work everything. But if you have any local file and you want to generate selectors for them, suppose you have opened a local file like this. So of course local files will be like this, your local drive address and then that HTML file, right? So if we right click and open, click on inspect, and if we open SelectorsHub here, you will see that it will not work, like nothing is happening over here. You will see that blank. So yes, we will have to do a small setting for that. Here on the top right corner, you will see the SelectorsHub logo over here, and make sure like if it is not visible, then you will see like this. You will have to click on this extension logo, then pin SelectorsHub to toolbar. This is how you get SelectorsHub logo in Chrome. But in other browser, by default you will find the logo over here. Now right click on this logo, click on manage extensions. It will open this SelectorsHub page on your browser. Here you scroll down slowly, and there you will see that this permission allow access to file URLs, and this is 100% safe, guys. This runs only on your local, so you need not to worry that SelectorsHub will be accessing your file in the background. SelectorsHub doesn't store or access any of your data. It runs only on your local. This, if you want to verify, you can check on SelectorsHub website. It is already written over there that it doesn't collect any data, as well as you can check in Chrome store itself, and I have declared with Chrome store that I'm not collecting any data. SelectorsHub is not collecting any data or not accessing user activity. You can also see it here that privacy, under privacy practices tab, that the publisher has disclosed that it will not collect or use your data. Rest you can see it here. So it's absolutely safe and secure, so you need not to worry about that, whether like when you will provide this access, will extension access your file. No, it's just for your local, that so that it will start working on your local. So you need not to worry about that. Allow access to file URLs. Now if we refresh this, close this, refresh the page, just refresh this and open, click on inspect. Now if you will open SelectorsHub, you see that it's working like jam as before, like everything will work. You just keep inspecting any of the element, it will work. It will highlight, it will work. Anything like for shadow DOM, everything it will work. If any element is inside shadow DOM like this, if you select them, it will show that in shadow DOM, and everything it will show. So this will work like charm. Now if you, and it will work, of course it will work on other website like as before, whatever it was working, you just open. So now it is working on for local files as well as for your website, of course. But make sure that you have something in your address bar. It will not work on blank tab. Like if you, when you open new tab, many times people feel that this is a google.com, but actually this is just a blank tab, there is no URL. So make sure there's a google.com you have opened. For blank tab, none of the extension work, because Chrome doesn't allow to access Chrome colon any URL with Chrome doesn't allow. So you will have to make sure that there is a URL or local file address in the address bar, and this will work like a charm. So I hope this helps you, and if you have any question, any feedback, feel free to let me know in the comment section, or anything you want to know, like how it will work, what is the functionality of this feature and all, you let me know. Also, if you want to, one more feature, let me tell you quickly. If you want to use SelectorsHub in incognito mode, like if you right now, if you will open open an incognito window, then it might not work. You will see that selector sub will not be showing over here. But if you want in incognito mode, so there in the same page, allow in incognito, turn on this. Now you see that you will get the selector sub logo here. So it will work in the incognito mode as well. So this is how you can get in incognito mode as well. So it will help you a lot and will save a tremendous amount of time while playing with selectors with local files. So with that, thank you so much. I would request you, please like, share and comment if any is there, and please share selectors up with the community and with everyone. Many are not still aware about it. And guys, please support, subscribe to the channel, because lots of amazing tutorial videos with basic fundamental concepts I'm coming with, which will help you a lot. And stay tuned for the upcoming innovations on selectors hub. Thank you so much.